Chicago, Joliet, Naperville. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 9 p.m. At 8:14 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from South Lawndale to near Mokina, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, public. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chicago, Cicero, Hammond, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Oak Lawn, Berwyn, Oak Park, Calumet City, Chicago Heights, Chicago Lawn, Englewood, Austin, South Shore, Roseland, Bridgeport, Chicago Loop, South Lawndale, Midway Airport, West Town, Burbank, Lansing, Oak Forest, Melrose Park, and Harvey. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for northeastern Illinois and northwestern Indiana. The tornado